Hello guys, welcome back to Zaska channel. This video is the before and after the Delkevic exhaust. Okay guys, this is a kind of funny setup because I want to log the noise of this exhaust. This is the stock exhaust of the Vulcan S, the Kawasaki Vulcan S. So I face the camera pointing to the to the exhaust, and I have, as you can see, a mic, external mic connected there, so it picks up the noise from the exhaust. Is connected, as you can see, into the camera. Okay, so this is the noise right now of this exhaust, around 95 decibels, so maximum 96.5. Okay, so there we go. Well, hello again. This is the setup to record the sound of the Delkevic after we exchanged it for the stock. Okay, we took a similar video as you have seen for the stock exhaust. Now it's time for the Delkevic. I changed the setup a little bit. Yes, I want to show you, make sure you see the little microphone here. Actually, I put some tape around it so the windsock does not blow away, and it's right behind the exhaust like it was before, but now it has the windsock. Okay, so let's go. All right, look, let's listen to it, huh? I want to take the highway today. And see how it sounds on the highway.
at 130 kilometers an hour, 125, there you can see. Okay, let's get out of the exit. Popping when you reuse is great. Okay, the video is over.